3 years now.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Used to dive bomb the
That's right.
whole tram cars.
That's right. A couple of times I had to close the window because of that.
I was afraid we were going to drive them away with this.
No shortage
that's
of
good.
hawks.
That's good.
We get a lot of birds through here, especially during the migratory season. A lot of birders come out. There's our trail.
This is our connectivity line, isn't it, that we're looking at? Right here.
Yeah, that's our comm cable.
Yeah.
So how many trails to get to the top?
We actually have 4 all around the peak. And if you look over here, you'll see the one we just passed over. You see it?
Oh, wow, yes, ma'am.
That's our Jackaloot Trail, and it hooks up to the Directissimo Trail, and that goes up and down. It'll leave you up here, and on Directissimo, not only do we have the signage for all our trails, but we have benches along that trail.
Oh, wow.
And that was quite a feat, too.
I bet that was.
Those were Fort Bliss volunteers that carried those 175-pound benches up.
Wow.
They're like these.